traveled far, they came here from a distant land. They ran from things that made them scared. Now we live in the USA. Like the birds that fly so free, we spread our wings and start each day. They name me Özlem with love, because they miss the home they knew. The mountains, winds, and flowers sweet, the land where all their dreams once grew. Can we go back someday? I ask. My father says it's not allowed. His eyes look sad, he tries to smile, but heavy thoughts still make him frown. My mother's eyes shine bright with hope, a tiny wish she keeps inside. I'll grow up strong, I always say. I'm starting school so full of pride. They named me Özlem with love, because they missed the home they knew. The mountains, winds, and flowers sweet, the land where all their dreams once grew. One day I'll go just like a song, to where my roots and stories are, with flowers in my little hands and freedom dancing